Alright, so finally got a day off to work on the house, but Bill's been here working. He got the windows and the door installed. He got the ductwork ran. He got it wired in here, all the receptacle boxes up. We have insulation. We're going to do that today. We also are doing installing a small bathroom in the old living room. This is going to be the new bathroom. He's only got this wall up and this wall over here up. But we're going to keep the door here. It's going to be like a little entryway right here, and then this will be the dining room in here. But we got to get this framed up. We're going to put probably the tub here, and then there'll be a sink and a toilet somewhere. I don't know exactly which side yet, but that'll be there. And he's going to pick up the tub today. We're going to install that. We're going to cut a hole for the new entryway into this room today. This is where we're going to cut. The stove will be here. We're going to build a hearth here for it to set on. But then right around here is where we're going to cut probably a 12-foot span opening to go in the new living room. I also have roofers coming to give me an estimate on a metal roof for our house. So it's going to be a busy day. Should be fun.
I made an executive decision here.
Okay.
I scooped this wall back a little bit so it wouldn't look too tight in here.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't make the hall look so long. You know, there'd be an offset right here.
Yeah.
This wall come in right here.
Okay.
And another thing, we'll put the vanity right here and the commode right here. You sit on that wall. So when you're in here, you won't be able to see. This door open here against this wall, so when you're standing over there, if somebody's in the bathroom, all you can see is this wall.
Yeah.
You won't be able to see somebody on the commode.
Yeah.
Plus, it'll be easier to plumb
Yeah.
in this wall than it will this wall here. So.
Did you reset it?
You bet I did.
Or no? You want to pull? We're doing. Oh, okay. I see. I ain't trying
trying to get shocked. Pull her up. Pull her back. Stick it in a hole.
Oh! Man, Lord! I thought you said it wasn't hot!
That wasn't even close.
Good!
That wasn't even close, man. You hit that stinking
You have them together. Is that what it was?
no, you hit that metal box over there. $123 3/4.
We got the insulation done. I'm pretty excited how it turned out. Next step in here is I got to put the insulation, install the insulation in on the wall. Hopefully that I'm going to start that here in a little bit. Also have to, I've got some of these strips right here, and I'm going to have to put these right up against this beam, one right here and then one up here, so this sets somewhat flush. So when the sheetrockers come in here, they have something to nail the sheetrock to. So I also have to do that. Another thing that we got done today was framing up the bathroom in here. We got the tub shower in here, but we got it all finished. Bill worked on that as well. Got the doorway done. But yeah, so this is gonna be our little bathroom over here. But it's crazy how much this opened up right here. It's crazy how much it made this bigger. This so much bigger. So yeah, so I'm gonna work on the insulation, and that'll be the next step. So.